Hello everyone, welcome back to Commerce Classes Standard 12. In this video, we are going to start new topic, that is stages of controlling process. We have 5 stages of controlling process. Let us see the structure of controlling process from your textbook and understand that one by one in detail. So here you can see the structure of control process. The stages of control process. First is setting standards. Second, gathering information. Third, measuring performance. Fourth, comparing actual performance with set standards. Fifth, corrective measures. So let us understand all the stages one by one. First is setting standards. The process of controlling makes sure that whatever work is being performed in the business unit is matched with the set standards or is going in accordance with the standards set already. The basis of controlling is predetermined standard. Controlling makes sure that whether the activities are carried out in the organization according to these set standards or not. Now, the standards can be qualitative or quantitative. These standards should be easily understood by those who have to achieve them. And such standards includes physical, cost price, income, capital. Over and above, these standards can be profit targets, production targets, cost targets. That means whatever the target is decided for the profit of the annual year should be achieved. And whatever the target for production is decided or the cost is decided, that should also be achieved as per the standards set. So these standards may be for the short term or long term. It's the role of top level management to set the standards of the business unit, and it is informed to employees and subordinate. So employees plan the things accordingly and continuously put efforts to maintain these standards. Second is gathering information. The second stage of controlling process is gathering information. Controlling makes sure to gather the information of work done in the business unit, like how much work is done and how much work is still pending and what is the actual situations of the things performed. And this is gathered by personal observation or supervision or gathering written reports or oral reports. Third stage is measuring performance. At the third stage, measuring performance is evaluated that whether the activities that have been undertaken are according to set standards or not. And such measurement can be qualitative or quantitative or both. Fourth, comparing actual performance with set standards. At this stage, whatever the actual work is being performed is compared with the set standards. From this comparison, it can be known whether the set standards have been achieved or not. And if they are not achieved, steps will be taken to match the standards. Fifth point, corrective measures. This is the last stage of controlling process, but very important stage. Corrective measures, that means if any deviations are found, corrective actions are taken so that goals can be achieved or targets can be achieved easily. It includes 3 measures that can be taken. First, no change in the condition. That means whenever the errors or deviations are found to be acceptable or normal as compared to set standards, at that time there is no change in the condition. Second, change the condition to remove deviation. That means as compared to actual performance or actual standards, if any deviations or errors are found and they are more in compared to actual standards, then such deviations are carefully verified and examined and necessary corrective actions are taken. Third is change the condition and establish fresh standards. Management can establish fresh standards or new standards when they find that standards are not matched continuously. It means they are extraordinarily high and change is essential. In such a situation, fresh and new standards are established by management. So, some necessary changes are done in the set standards and new higher standards are set. Controlling not only aims to find out the errors, but its main objective is also to achieve the goals of the business unit. So controlling is a constructive process. So here we are done with the stages of controlling process. We studied the 5 stages of controlling process and we also have completed chapter number 7. Go through the chapter. Thank you.